sometimes people think it comes up like this, but it actually comes towards you. When you do that, it moves this bottom thing. So this is a fold up, this is a fold down, so you can use leverage to get in your car. We need to create more leverage here. So all you do is you take this little thing off and you add our new thing to it. And you can do it the other way, but we found that this is the best way. And now this creates more leverage. This just connects. See how short it is? Now this comes right over here. And now it makes it super easy to fold down. This also has a battery that you can take out of the scooter and take inside your house to charge. So what's nice is that you have a charging port here. So you don't have to take the whole unit in. But for some people, not all people, now you don't need this stuff, but if you have a hard time pressing your fingers or authorizing your hands and you can't get your fingers down in there to push it hard enough, which is not hard, but for some people it is, we have a new thing called the push button. And what this does, now I just had the sticker off, this sticker is kind of hard to take off, just so you know. You're going to have to get your fingernails in it. This gets added right on top of your current sticker. And I would actually, you got to be really careful to get it right there in the center and let it stick for a minute before you really use it. Now this helps you with that, but also what it allows you to do is to step on it and then come down to release. So you're not having to do so much bending over to press the button. You can actually step on the push button, pull the battery right out, take it inside your house to charge it. So with that being said, if you have this unit, if you're looking to purchase this unit, this is our new tiller adjuster lever. We have this right now in black. We have red and yellow that we're making. So if you have a preference in a color, let us know. We're trying to figure out what color we should add to this. So leave a comment below. If you already bought one of these units from us, leave a comment and you can send us an email. We might send these out for Christmas time.